Vet C6 Z06 supercharged with this nice little 2.3 liter blower on it. Let me say that again, 2.3 liter blower on it. Magnuson. It's been doing pretty good. It winds and dines, it does all that fun stuff. But anyways, we're here at Willow Springs balcony. Balcony again, second time out here, trying to rip it up a little bit, create some smoke, create some, you know, tire wear, a lot of tire wear. Actually, I'm on this nice little used set of tires with some freaking busted rims. But it's all good. Look at that. Look at that. These old tires, gonna rip them up a little bit, send this thing, see what it can do. Anyway, yeah, here having fun. For those who don't know, C6 Z06, 207,000 miles on this baby right here. Original motor, original clutch, original a lot of everything. The only thing that's really been changed is like the transmission, because it ate itself alive, the first one, because of a mistake. Didn't fill up the fluid all the way. When I took it to a shop, they did not fill it all the way up and it ate itself alive, and that sucked. But it's all good though. It's all good. I got it replaced, put another T56 6-speed in this thing. It's all good. Car's a fun car. It makes not much horsepower because it has so much mileage on it, and I need to freaking replace the I need to refresh the motor, because this thing is not making much power anymore. It's down on power. It just needs a refresh so I can feel good and get all its life back. I'll do that one day. Until then, I'm just gonna have fun doing what I do best with this thing, and that is like a lot better than it was last time I came out here. Last time I came out, I was on some other used tires or whatever, and it was so slick. I swear I couldn't do nothing. I mean, I didn't even have to get on the gas boost thing to turn the tires. Like, it was crazy. But now with these other used sets of tires, they're actually a lot more grippy. I don't know, just because it's a little bit warmer, maybe it's a little stickier out there, or if those tires are just better. I don't know what it is, but it's a lot more grippy, and definitely having to change the way I'm sliding it just a little bit, get on the gas a little bit more, do a few more little things so that I can keep the tire spinning so it doesn't bog down. I've been fighting that a little bit.